Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to buy ETFs on DEGIRO, and I will show you the best free ETFs DEGIRO has to offer from a list of more than 200 ETFs. So this is the list of all the ETFs that are for free. As you can see, they are a lot. I have highlighted the one that I like the most. So, for example, if you want to invest in gold, this is a good one. You would invest in the stock exchange in Amsterdam, and this is the code. So if you want more information, you can simply copy, based on the Just ETF website. You copy here, and here you have all the information you need: the price, the fees you have to pay, physical, volatility, when it was created, accumulating, the performance over the past, going back. Then we have emerging market, so like China, Brazil, Taiwan, South Korea. There are actually two. One is distributive and the other accumulative. It means they pay the dividends to you, and the other they reinvest it back in the fund. So it depends on your tax situation. But these are emerging markets. Then we have S&P 500, which is the index of 500 biggest company in the US across different sectors. So if you want to get exposed to the American market, you should go for the S&P 500. I share simply the name of the company. There are other companies that offer a fund in the S&P 500. For example, as HSBC, which is another bank. So really, like, just compare the funds and decide which one is the one for you. You could also invest in other indexes like FTSE 100. This would be like investing in the UK, or you could invest in Japan, Korea, Latin America, or whatever you think it's best. If you're into the REIT market, rental property, this is a good one. Invest in rental properties all over the world, and you should check this out. If you want to invest in a global ETF that invests all around the world, you could pick, for example, this one, which is accumulative, or like this one, which is distributive, or also this one, which is distributive. They're just different companies using different indexes. So depending on your situation again. They also have Vanguard S&P 500, USD Treasury bond if you are interested in the bond market. I'm not really into that. If you want to invest in the Nasdaq 100, which is like all the tech company of the US, you could also go for this one, Nasdaq 100 ETF. Lixor again is a bank or asset management company, I'm not sure. And that's it. So go here and check out which one are free. Of course, there are others that are better, and you should maybe consider if it's worth it to buy others for 2 years each, or just choose these ones which maybe had a worse performance, but they're free. And also be careful, because some are in Amsterdam, some are in Germany, Paris, and for each stock exchange you have to pay 250 each year, which is not a lot, but it can add up very quickly. So now let's see how the platform looks from the inside. So this is the platform, very simple, easy to use. As you can see, here you have a section for the news each day. Rolls Royce hit by broker, downgrade, blah blah blah. You can check out the latest news, the favorites, the best and worst of each index. This for France, for example. And then you have your favorites one, you can save the one that you like the most. Then your portfolio, then all the orders that you have done. It's in Italian, sorry. Then you can look up shares, bonds, investment fund, and ETF. So let's look up for example this one. You copy, you paste it in here. Okay, so this is the cost, this is the daily variation, this is the daily variation. Here you can see in the past 3 months, in the past 6 months, past 5 years, and here you can see like more or less all the info. For example, how much they're asking, how much they're bidding, the volume of bidding and asking, so like how much they're willing to pay and how much they're willing to sell it for. So let's imagine we want to buy one of these. We just go with buy, which it's in Italian, and then you can put, there are different options. So if you want to put a limit, you say, let's say I want to buy one with a limit buy. So imagine I want to buy one, but I want to buy it for 30 euros, and it's valid only today. You could also make it valid in the future, but I want it only today. So if this price it will hit 30s, then it will buy, and then we can push the order forward and you will see all the info before buying it. We're not gonna buy it. You could also buy it for the price right now, so this would cost me like 40. Then we have stop loss, limit stop. These are actually never use it, but I think they're more like for traders to stop your losses in case it reaches a certain level and you don't want to lose more than that. Imagine the market crashed by 40% and you said that once it goes under a certain limit you just sell all your positions, so you stop your losses. So it's pretty simple, as you can see, and I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe down below. Bye guys.